The founder's pavilion, Modar, exemplifies an architectural transformation, repurposing an existing structure into a dynamic, multifunctional space designed for restaurant use. The goal was to create a casual, cool, and relaxed venue where visitors could enjoy a sensory experience encompassing coffee, food, nature, architecture, and social interaction. The project is located in Cholul, a community with pre-Hispanic roots in the city of Mérida, southeast Mexico. The original building was a 50 sqm rural house, positioned in a corner of the foundational square of Cholul. About 25 years ago, this house underwent a modification that resulted in the loss of its original roof and openings. The current project involved demolishing the added structures and restoring the original stone masonry walls. These walls were then adapted to support a double-height reinforced concrete barrel vault over the main entrance, extending the covered area. Additionally, a flat slab was added over the service area to support an open terrace above, providing a new vantage point to appreciate the public square. A north-facing window was introduced between the overlapping slabs to allow hot air to escape, bring in natural light, and frame views of the treetops. The design of the vault and the murals on the facade, created by scraping through layers of historical paint, draw inspiration from the 16th century church, a historical monument situated opposite the building. Given current health guidelines, 85% of the seating is outdoors, divided between the backyard and the raised terrace. The indoor space is ventilated through cross breezes and includes a small dining area, service bar, restrooms, and storage. The materials chosen reflect the practicality, warmth, and simplicity of rural Yucatecan architecture. Original stucco paintings on the walls were preserved and restored. The underside of the vault displays its concrete structure, painted to match the rest of the building, while the exterior features burnished stucco with integrated pigment of the same color, as do the frames of the restored openings. The interior floors are made of devastated white concrete with Ecocrete joints to release moisture, while the raised terrace and staircase feature non-slip hammered concrete floors. The backyard is leveled with local, walkable, and permeable gravel. Additional elements include blacksmithing with encapsulated oxide, stainless steel, exposed concrete lattice, regional stone blocks, transparent glass, and yellow screen-printed glass. Cedar hardwood was used for doors, regional solemn for tables, and white plastic for chairs. The landscaping evokes the aesthetics of Mayan plots, enhancing sensory engagement. The plant arrangement honors existing trees and incorporates concrete pots with local endemic vegetation, concrete benches attached to stone low walls, and a water garden with a recirculating fountain.